Hello people, in this video we want to understand what interferon is. Interferon comes under cytokines, so it's a type of cytokine. That much have you understood? So basically it is a part of your immune response. So you know that you have innate immunity, acquired immunity. So in innate immunity, that means that comes with birth, right? At present, at the time of birth, you have interferons. So these are innate immunity. So here you can see in immunity you have innate immunity and acquired immunity. We will focus here on what? On innate immunity. In innate immunity you have the cytokine barrier under which you have the interferon. Okay. So here you have the alpha and the gamma. What are the two types of interferon, guys? Alpha, interferon gamma. So you will write IFN. Interferon alpha, interferon gamma. Where will you see this each individual things? Here in this diagram we can see INF gamma is there here. Okay, we found one at least. Interferon gamma we have found. Basically understand this, guys. The interferon comes from where? From T cell. T cell means what? T lymphocyte, right? They come from T lymphocytes. That means from the thymus they have matured, right? Those lymphocytes. The lymphocytes which mature in the thymus. The T lymphocytes. From the T lymphocytes comes what? Your interferon. IFN. Interferon gamma alpha. Two things. Alpha and gamma. Both are coming from where? Both are coming from your, first of all, from your where are the T lymphocytes coming from? So you know hematopoiesis, right? So here you have your bone. Inside the bone you have bone marrow. From the bone marrow comes your lymphocytes. There you have the T lymphocytes and the B lymphocytes. The T lymphocytes will go to the thymus, and in the thymus they will mature and they will become T lymphocytes, and T lymphocytes will produce our interferon alpha and gamma. Now interferon alpha and gamma, what do? They help in immune. We saw it is innate immunity kind of a thing. The interferon alpha will help in antiviral. It has antiviral activity. Who has antiviral activity? Interferon alpha. And who has antimicrobial? It will actually increase the effect of macrophage. Who will increase the effect of macrophage and hence indirectly help in the antimicrobial activity? Looks like that is the interferon gamma. Gamma is going indirectly kind of a thing. So in chronic granulomatous diseases, you know, I feel like talking about delayed immunity, etc., where you have spoken about interferon gamma, isn't it? So here they are showing you that these are all the cytokines here. There's a cytokine receptor. So all these cytokines are coming and binding to the cytokine receptor, and then there is what is happening here. They're trying to kill the virus and doing some antimicrobial activity. In type 4 hypersensitivity, that is a cell-mediated immune response. This is cell-mediated, right? No antibodies are there here. So here you have the T helper cells, and then you have the cytotoxic T cells. Leave that here. T helper cells, this is where they are talking about the delayed hypersensitivity. Look at this. T helper cell, okay, T helper cell, it's got sensitized now. After it has got sensitized, next time when the same kind of problem comes, it is giving cytokines. And which are the cytokines? Interferon alpha and gamma. Yes. And so many other types of cytokines. Okay. Not just interferons. So many other types of cytokines. And what's the job of these cytokines? Yes, go and tell the macrophages to do the antimicrobial action. So basically these cytokines are going to activate macrophages. These cytokines are going to activate the macrophages. Which are the cytokines? Interleukins, interferons, tumor necrosis factor. What is TGF? Growth factor. Transforming growth factor. Okay. Just remember, guys, it need not always be delayed, this interferon. See, interferon gamma they are saying in chronic. Okay, but interferon alpha it cannot be delayed, right? Can it be delayed if you have a viral infection? No, it will not be delayed. So that time they are talking about the CD8 one, etc. Here in alpha they are not talking about chronic, okay? If you want more details on which T cell, no, they have written TH1, the helper T cell 1 is producing this interferon gamma. What about alpha? From where is this alpha coming? They didn't write. Why didn't they write? Where is alpha coming from? Anyways, that they didn't write here. They said T cell only. But let us just make a note here. We will say T cell means it's actually T helper 1. Okay, that's it for now, guys. You have learned something. If they ask you interferon, something you will write, right? It is a cytokine. Alpha is there, gamma is there. Alpha is going to help against virus. Gamma is the chronic infection like tuberculosis, etc. There will be, it is coming from the T helper cell again, and it is going to increase the antimicrobial activity of the macrophages. Okay, that's it, guys. Bye bye.